a jungle bright and green lived two parrots sweet and keen. One was red, the other blue. Side by side their friendship grew. Through the trees they'd laugh and play, chirping stories all the day, sharing fruit so ripe and sweet, dancing to the wind's soft beat. Rain or shine, they stayed so true, a bond so strong, just like new. Feathers bright and hearts so free, best of friends they'll always be. In a jungle bright and green lived two parrots sweet and keen. One was red, the other blue. Side by side their friendship grew. Through the trees they laugh and play, chirping stories all the day, sharing fruit so ripe and sweet, dancing to the wind's soft beat. Rain or shine, they stayed so true,